naturally comes at the expense of human development. Pakistan has been one of the few countries which, despite the rising security challenges, has resisted the temptation of involving itself in an arms race. Our defense expenditure have rather reduced instead of increasing. This is not an easy undertaking, especially once you live in a hostile and unstable neighborhood. But having said that, let me say profoundly that we are ready to improve our environment by resolving all our outstanding issues with our neighbors through dialogue in a dignified and peaceful manner. However, it is important to state that this choice is deliberate and based on rationality and not as a result of any pressure. In our sincere desire to recast Pakistan's image as a peace-loving nation and as a useful member of international community. Our leadership's vision is, alhamdulillah, transformational in this regard. We have learned from the past to evolve and are willing to move ahead towards a new future. However, all this is contingent upon reciprocity. Ladies and gentlemen, the world knows that we are geostrategically placed to be a bridge between civilization and connecting conduit between the regional economies. We are a nation of significance due to our large and enterprising demography, fertile soil, and adequate logistic infrastructure. We intend to leverage our vital geostrategic location for our own regional and global benefit. Our robust role in current quest for peace in Afghanistan is proof of our goodwill and understanding of our global and moral obligations. Our close collaboration and crucial support for peace process has led to the historic agreement between Taliban and US and paved the way for intra-Afghan dialogue. We will continue to emphasize on a sustained and inclusive peace process for the betterment of people of Afghanistan and regional peace. Moreover, beside offering our all-out support to Afghanistan peace process, we have also undertaken unprecedented steps to enhance Afghanistan's trade and connectivity by re-energizing